Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about used to. Yeah, are you getting what I have told? USED, used to, and it's all about past. Yeah. So guys, as in our earlier videos, we have learned or practiced about modal verb like may, might, can, could, would, has to, have to, had to, and today we are going to learn about used to and USED, used to. So how it works, when we should use, why we should use, and all the key areas what is needed we are going to learn today. If you are the one who want to speak but you are unable to speak anyhow, guys, trust me, you are the right platform. Since today, if you start practicing what you are watching, trust me, you are going to improve day by day. Within 1 week you can see changes drastically. So guys, without delaying, let's we can start. So used to, why we use and when we use. Whenever we have to speak about past. Okay, what we used to do means जब हम लोग पास्ट में क्या किया करते थे. Okay, when you have to speak about in past what you used to, what were you habituate of do, or any kind of childhood memories, and anything what you usually regularly used to do, that kind of things you can speak. कि मैं पहले शाम को रोज़ 4 बजे पढ़ा करता था, मैं पहले दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में काम किया करता था, मैं बचपन में बहुत शरारती किया करता था, एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स किया करता था. When it comes in your sentence, you must use used to. Like, I used to work in other departments. I used to be a shy person 2 years ago. I used to so serious 2 years ago. So like that, and my children used to so naughty. They used to study every evening, but right now it has been changed. Later on or right now what you are doing, it can be changed. ये change हो सकता है. What you were doing in past, for that you should use used to, but it can't be happen right now. What you are doing, it doesn't describe that what you used to do right now you have to you should do. No, never. What currently what you are doing right now, it doesn't belong why you used to do. You just have to speak about the habit, the daily habit or routine what you used to do, or any kind of situation that there used to be a tree 3 years ago, and 5 minutes ago no, not 5 minutes ago, I used to be a teacher sometimes ago. So like this you can speak your expression, you can express your feeling by using for past tense. Whenever you have to speak negative, that मैं ये काम नहीं किया करता था, I don't use to do this work. Let me confirm you one thing. When you use negative thing like I don't, no, I did not, don't use do, does not, or do not, don't use. Here I am reminding one thing because it doesn't belong to present, so you have to mind that it Whenever you speak in negative, then you have to use did not do or does. Okay, you just have to use did not, and after did, whenever you speak in any sentence in past, whenever you speak did or use did, you must have to use verb one. After did, you must have to use did one. Then you can use speak like that. I did not use this kind of product. I did not use. In present, in simple affirmative sentence, you have to use used to, used. But whenever you are going to speak in negative, you must have to use. After did not, verb one, used to, and must. After use, you have to use to. Then only it will work. Like किया करता था, जाया करता था, गाया करता था, खाया करता था, ये हैबिट किया करता था, पढ़ा करता था, और कोई दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में जॉब किया करता था. राइट नाउ आई एम डूइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट. राइट नाउ आई एम डूइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट. इट डजंट रिलेट विथ पास्ट, बट टू डिस्क्राइब, to express your feeling, what you used to do, you can use used to. And in negative, you have to use did not. I did not used to do this kind of work. I did not study at that time. So like that. And whenever you have to speak in question, like you have to use तुम क्या किया करते थे. So whenever you have to use question, you have to ask that what you used to do. आप क्या किया करते थे. So try to speak. Did you used to do this kind of work? Did will become the first, then used to. Did subject, used to. Did you used to do this work? क्या ये काम आप किया करते थे. Did you study this time? Did you work? Did you used to work in other department? क्या तुम अलग डिपार्टमेंट में काम किया करते थे. So if you want to ask any question, you just have to use did in the first, then subject, then verb one, subject, did, subject, you, and then used to, then verb one. Okay. Did you used to eat very earlier? Did you used to sleep late in the night? Did you used to work in other department? So like that you can make sentence. So guys, try to practice it. Make 10 sentences by Google it, and yeah, go Google 10 sentences and then try to make by yourself. Whenever you want to speak, first speak in Hindi 10 sentences like this. I used to this and I used to do. Just repeat and keep stored in your subconscious mind that whenever it comes this kind of sentence like used to, you just, your mind or your tongue will start speaking this kind of sentence. Just try to this and start speaking in front of camera. Guys, trust me, you are going to improve if you are doing this kind of things. And at least 5 minutes speak from ChatGPT. And this is my personal suggestion that initially you don't have to use ChatGPT. Just go to speak with people. It will be very helpful initially in your first speak. So go start from today and start exploring yourself, your spoken English. Be fluent. And if you want to learn data analytics, guys, then go watch my earlier videos I have uploaded. And I have been also already started Power BI tutorial videos. So if you are interested, then go and let me know where you are getting stuck. I will always answer you in my comment box. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.